Today we're opening a Elmer's Color Slime Kit. I'm her sister. Okay.
Yeah,
Activator. And the okay, hold up. Ivana, what are you doing?
Ice cream?
Okay. And whatever that is. Green glue for me.
Okay.
Blue glue for you. And activator.
For me.
It says here on the back, step one. Oh no, those are the, okay. Step one, pour out one OZ Elmer transparent glue in the container.
Pour out the glue.
Okay. Wait. Yeah. All right, come on.
Mine's there.
All right. Wait, only have a bit more and. That's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna screw the top on. Next step is.
Put it in there.
No, hold up. You cannot be sure. Half a bottle of Elmer Magic Glue.
Liquid.
Then mix well. Half of it. Wait, so like
half.
all of it or half? Of it?
Half. I'm just gonna
add half of the.
I'm just adding little by little.
Okay, half. So that's about like.
Mine's forming. Wow, that's cool. It's already come together. I'd rather add little by little if I were you, because I don't want it to get stiff. Mine is forming, look.
Yeah, mine is forming too.
Mine
Mine already formed.
This is quick.
Yep, a bit more.
I think I could get in my hand.
Just a bit more.
Ooh, this feels nice, yeah. Cool. Still sticky, but okay.
Mine is wet.
Yeah, just keep on mixing it.
Okay.
I feel like you're new to making slime, sort of, I think.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, same here.
This looks like boogers.
No, but I have a feeling boogers are darker than this.
No, they're really bright.
Ooh, mine's still sticky.
Ah, yep, mine too.
I need more activator. Mom.
Mine's heavy.
Mom.
Okay.
Can you add a bit more activator?
Take out the slime and
Mix it with your
using
hands.
both hands. Wait, is this glow in the dark?
No! Where did you get glow in the dark from this?
I wish it was. Alright. You get the.
I don't think it would last long if it was glow in the dark.
I'm gonna put my spoon in here. Now.
Oh, that's what I should have done.
We have
a mess.
Yes.
In my hand.
And it's so sticky. I'm just gonna go ahead.
I think I have a bit. Yeah, still sticky.
I'm gonna go ahead and add all. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the activator.
Can you add me more activator?
Just add the whole entire thing.
No more activator, please.
Add all of it.
Okay, stop.
No, add all of it.
I need my spoon out.
Now it's so stiff.
No, mine isn't.
Mine is.
Maybe because you're new to work it out. Right?
Well, mine feels like slime now.
Yeah,
feels like glue. It feels like old glue.
How do you know what old glue
I don't know.
feels
I
like?
just guessed. Well,
Mine is forming. I have a bit. Oh wow! I'm glad this is not a fill-up. Unlike my birthday, I got the wrong activator by accident.
You got the wrong shaving cream.
The shaving cream doesn't matter. It was the activator.
You need foam shaving cream to make slime.
Any shaving cream works even.
I didn't know that, huh?
Video.
But they mainly use the foam one because it works way better.
Well, we didn't have that. So watery.
One isn't watery, it's just sticky.
I think we added too much activator.
No. I'm just trying to get it off my hand.
I think mine worked, just a bit more working to do. Yes, still more working.
Was it the pause? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thank you.
Was it the pause?
Hello.
Hello, welcome back. We spent hours and hours trying to get.
Look at
Yeah.
this.
We spent hours and hours trying to
Get the slime off of Eve and Dance. Jesus.
and also. Oh no, I think I messed it up. Nope, never mind, I didn't.
Mom, I need
Well,
was that not okay? Here you go.
okay, thank you. Well, this is the end.
Good poke.
It's really sticky.
Not bad though. Nope.
Okay. Not
It's good at poking.
okay. And this is the end process. Blue sticky.
Green is stickier, but I like it.
Blue.
I have to admit it. I have to admit it.
Sticky slime and green.
Stretchier than blue slime.
Yep. Cause. I know.
Actually, give me my slime back.
Hey.
Well, our slime back.
Yeah.
Why do slimes hate you? They always stick on you for some weird reason. Oh.
Goodbye.
Bye.